Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday each and every one of you guys. Thanks for making it to Pal's Island Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some cow foot and butter bean. Here we have some garlic and ginger blend and already had to the cow foot that was washed with lemon and vinegar. So we're going to be adding some black pepper, not too much, to our cow foot. So I'm stage by stage, step by step, I will show you guys how I prepare my cow foot in Pal's Island Kitchen. So now we're adding some all-purpose seasoning. Here I have some pimento seed. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some chili pepper. Yeah, chili. Yes guys, I love spice. As you can see in all my dishes, I add extra spices when I am preparing anything. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some meat seasoning. Yes guys, don't be afraid to season your meat. Give it all the spices that it needs. Yes guys, to give it that authentic taste, that amazing taste that you're looking for. And now we're adding some more all-purpose seasoning. So I add like 2 different all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm gonna be locking all these spices together. Yes guys, I season my meat to the bone. You know, back in the days when your kids and your grandma or your mom is preparing cow foot, you know, when you get that cow foot and you use your hands to eat it, and you can feel that gumminess, that niceness from the cow foot. Yes, that's how I love it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my marinated sauce, my hot sauce that I have here. So I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of this one. I did a video on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out. It's very amazing. It's something you can use to season your meat. You know, you can, once you use this, you can cook it in just like that. You don't have to put it down to soak, but I always do it for an extra 45 minutes. So now I'm gonna lock in all those spices, all that niceness in our cow foot, to make sure we get everything well seasoned. Yes guys. So guys, tell me what you eat your cow foot with in the comment box, and please remember to like the video, share the video, tell a friend to come to Pal's Island Kitchen, where we do all kind of niceness over here. So now we're gonna be adding some browning. Not too much, because you don't want your cow foot to too dark. Yes guys, that's amount. Yes, I tell you, this smells so nice, so amazing. The aroma in this kitchen, wow. So now that we're locking in all the spices, all the sauce, everything, then the next step is that we're going to be covering this and then put it down to marinate for 45 minutes or so, and then we're going to be preparing our seasoning to go with it. So it's step by step. See all those niceness. Whoa guys, that's how we do it in Pal's Island Kitchen. Yes guys, cover. So yes guys, here we have onion, a small onion. We have some green onion, otherwise known as scallion, and we have a hot Scotch bonnet pepper that I'm gonna be using all of it. And then I have my garlic here that I will be using also, because I will be sauteing all of this in my Instant Pot, because I'm using my Instant Pot today for the cow foot to get it that soft and nice. Normally you'd pressure, but the Instant Pot works just the same. So yes guys, we're finished with the cutting up. So our Instant Pot is already, the oil is hot, so we're gonna go ahead and add our vegetable in, because we're gonna be sauteing this before we add our cow foot to it. So as I said before, each and every one cooked totally different. This is Pal's Island Kitchen way. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and guys, leave a comment in the comment box. You can tell me what else you want to see me prepared, as I said before in a previous video, and I will definitely do so. Because somebody requested the cow foot, so I'm going ahead and prepare it so they can see. So now that we saute this a little, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cow foot. Yes guys, that smells so good. So I'm gonna lock in all my spices, all the everything together, and then we're gonna cover this pot once we're finished locking everything and stir up everything together. And when we come back, the cow foot will be almost ready, and then we will be adding our butter bean to it. So enjoy. Yes guys, welcome back. Whoa, see all this niceness. Yes, gummy cow foot, nice, with some white rice, and this is the butter bean that I'm using, the Grace butter bean. So guys, now we're gonna be adding the butter bean to the pot and leave it to simmer for a little while to make sure that all that is locked in and ready. Yes guys, oh my word. If you could just get a piece of this cow foot, so nice. Yes, oh Lord. And we are gonna be serving this with some white rice and some vegetable on the side. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God, and walk good. And remember, please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Pal's Island Kitchen. Love you guys so much, and thank you.